I note the passing of former Commissioner of Police Lucius Thomas, who died earlier today after a brief period of illness. We offer our condolences on behalf of the entire JCF to his family, loved ones, and colleagues with whom he served. Lucius made a sterling contribution to our nation as Commissioner between 2005 and 2007, and even before that, particularly during his service at the JCF Special Branch. He will be remembered fondly by the members who served with him. I had the opportunity to travel and work with him on the JCF radio communications project and found him to be quite the gentleman. He was a person who genuinely cared about improving the quality of life of the members and the safety and security of the Jamaican people. As an organization, we mourn his passing and now begin the process of paying due respect to a man who gave so much to his country.